Hey guys! Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and syempre sana din safe and happy kayo. Anyway, for today's video, kitang-kita nyo naman sa title, it is going to be about my current napakabigat na favorites. So yun guys, basically today ang gagawin ko is i-share ko sa inyo yung mga madalas kong gamitin lately na makeup, skincare, and body care. And actually nakakatuwa din kasi saktong-sakto. Kasi diba sobrang lapit na ng Lazada 66 sale. Kaya iset nyo na yung alarms ng phone nyo and calendar kasi mangyayari po yung Lazada 66 mid-year sale ngayong June 6 to 8. And I promise guys, sobrang maloloka kayo because ang daming discounts and benefits nitong sale na to. Unang-una, ang daming deals up to 90% off. And yung second naman is 6 times more yung free vouchers. Sobrang nice, di ba? Kasi ang laki ng masasave nyo. Kasi di ba imagine, shipping pa lang ang laki na ng gastos, kaya naman sobrang perfect talaga mag-add to cart and mag-checkout ngayon. Kaya ayun guys, just in case na meron kayong magustuhan sa mga i-recommend ko and balak nyong bilhin, i-add to cart nyo na ngayon tapos pagdating ng June 6 to June 8, tsaka nyo sila i-check out. I mean, diba, why not take advantage of the discounts and sale? And actually, yung cart ko nga, sobrang dami ng laman, guys. And every day, nadadagdagan pa. And syempre, para maka-discount and makatipid tayo, yung mga nilagay ko sa cart, June 6 to June 8 ko na din i-check out. And actually, yung free shipping voucher ng Lazada, nagwo-work na ngayon kasi nung nakaraan, may mga in-order ako and nagamit ko sila. And sobrang bilis lang niyang gamitin and ma-access, guys. So, first thing na kailangan yung gawin, guys, is hanapin lang or makita etong light green image na to na merong track para malaman yung meron siyang free shipping. After that, all you have to do is mag-scroll ng konti and kapag nakita nyo to guys, all you have to do is click collect. And that's literally it. Ganun lang kabilis guys. Mag-work na yung free shipping voucher. Actually, sa akin gamit na gamit ko yun guys. Kasi di ba sayang ang laki na masasave mo. Look for that free shipping image, gamitin nyo yung code para makasave kayo ng pera. So yeah, that's it guys. Hopefully nakatulong yung tips. And if you want to know my current favorites, just keep on watching. Ito yung first sa aking list. This one is from Hair Fix and ito yung kanilang Keratin Collagen Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. If you guys watch my videos, I'm very sure na nakita nyo na to. Ginawan ko kasi siya ng full review and sobrang love na love ko to guys. I've been using this since 2019 I believe and up until now. Sobrang love na love ko pa din siya. Of course, merong mga times na nagtatry ako ng ibang shampoo and conditioner but dito at dito pa din talaga ako bumabalik guys. I don't know, I just feel like kapag ito talaga yung gamit kong shampoo and conditioner, sobrang healthy and ganda ng buhok ko. And this one is very affordable as well. I believe parang 300 something pesos lang siya and sobrang dami niya guys. This will last you for months. So yeah, ayun guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong shampoo and conditioner na pwedeng subukan, yung affordable and madaming benefits sa hair, make sure to check this one out. Another current favorite of mine is from Senka and that is itong kanilang Perfect Whip Acne Care. For those of you na merong acne-prone skin, this one guys, sobrang ganda niya. I highly recommend this and obvious naman guys, sobrang love na love ko kasi tignan nyo ang konti na lang ng laman. What I really like about this one is that sobrang gentle niya sa skin yet powerful because ever since ginamit ko to guys, I feel like ito yung reason kung bakit nawala yung mga tiny bumps and also hindi na ako masyadong nagkakamaskne. And actually, 4 yung variants na meron sila dito guys. This one is the Perfect Whip Original Daily Cleanser for all skin types. We also have the Perfect White Clay Deep Pore Cleanser for brighter skin. Ito namang kulay pink is yung Perfect Whip Collagen In Deep Moisturizing Cleanser for plump skin. But for me talaga ito yung nag-stand out, yung Perfect Whip Acne Care. But actually, dalawa yung ginagamit ko dito Etong kulay blue and green. This one kapag ka morning and eto naman at night. Another skincare product na sobrang love na love kong gamitin lately is from Hyaloo and that is itong kanilang Deep Hydrating Gel. And as you guys can see, it is for face and body. Kung kayo yung klase ng tao na mahilig mag-lotion kaya lang hindi siya magawa ngayon because of the weather, this is for you. Unlike lotions kasi guys, this one, ang maganda sa kanya is hindi siya oil-based. Water-type product siya, kaya sobrang perfect especially sa weather natin. And ayan, as you can see, talagang parang gel lang siya. And look at it guys, sobrang nice because kapag ni-rub nyo siya, it literally dissolves para siyang nagiging tubig. Kaya sobrang perfect and okay na okay siyang gamitin kahit mainit because hindi niya ginagawang malagkit yung feeling ng balat. Again, it is not greasy, it is not oily, it is not sticky. Sobrang ganda ng formula niya guys, I swear. So yeah, kung naghahanap kayo ng product na sobrang okay na okay, especially ngayong summer, yung very moisturizing and kayang magbigay ng intense hydration, make sure to check this one out kasi napakaganda talaga ng formula and sobrang dami niyang ingredients na talaga nakakatulong sa skin. Anyway, so this next one naman is a perfume. This is from the brand Solid Notes and ito yung kanilang cotton na EDP. Ooh, the Perfume. Charot. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. But anyway, this one guys, may i-recommend ko siya for those of you na mahilig mag-amoy baby powder. Kasi this one guys, straight up smells like Johnson's baby powder in blue. Ganun na ganun yung amoy niya. And I know hindi lahat ng tao mahilig sa ganun. But personally ako guys, sobrang love na love ko siya kasi sobrang fresh, diba? And linis lang nung amoy na ganun. Most especially ngayong summer, I feel like ganito yung klase ng scent na the best. Kasi diba, kapag pinawisan ka at least, mabango ka pa din and malinis yung amoy mo. And also what's great about this one din kasi and yung sobrang nagustuhan ko is that since nga powdery yung scent niya, pwede nyo siyang gamitin na pang mix. Like for example, meron kayong perfume na floral, fruity, or medyo intense. You can use this one para gawing mas softer and lighter yung ibang perfume na meron kayo. Moving on with makeup, yung first sa aking list is from Heimish and that is itong kanilang Artless Glow Base. Actually, this one medyo matagal na siya sa akin pero hindi ko masyadong nagamit before. Kaya lang, na-notice ko kasi na kapag ginagamit ko yung Revlon primer na sobrang favorite ko din, especially sa Easy & Co tint, parang nagbo-ball siya. Basically, hindi sila compatible. Sobrang love na love ko yung diba, Easy & Co skin tint. Kaya, naghanap ako sa collection ko ng perfect or match sa kanya. And eto yung nag-work, guys, sa lahat ng meron ako. This is how the primer looks like and once you blend it, basically para lang siyang guys, moisturizer. Pero ang maganda sa kanya is it gives the skin a dewiness na sobrang natural. And another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang SPF 50 PA+++. Kaya okay na okay, especially kung lalabas kasi diba, may sun protection din. Packaging, as you can see, is so nice. It's very slim. Perfect for traveling or kaya kung maliit yung bag nyo. It is made of plastic as well, kaya kahit mahulog siya, hindi siya masisira or mababasag. In terms of longevity, to be honest, hindi naman to nakakatulong sa base, but I don't care, to be honest. Especially ngayon, since hindi naman ako madalas nang mag-makeup, and if ever man na mag-base ako, actually very sure lang, kaya eto guys, okay na okay to sa mga moments na ganun. Anyway, so this next one is from Easy & Co, obviously. And eto yung isa sa mga powders na meron sila. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 3 yung powders na meron sila or 4. And ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon guys, yung kanilang weightless loose powder. Again, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina guys, lately, especially on everyday, hindi na ako masyadong nagbe-base na makapal. And since, yun nga, light lang naman yung base ko, I thought it would be nice if yung powder din na gagamitin ko or yung ipang ko compliment ko is yung light. Kaya naisipan kong balikan tong powder na to and simula nung sinubukan ko siya ulit, na-enjoy ko siya. By the way, look at the packaging, sobrang nice kasi yung cap niya may mirror, tapos yung pinaka-sifter, meron siyang lid. Tapos ayan guys, as you can see, inside meron siyang parang mesh which is really nice kasi saktong-sakto lang yung amount of product na nade-dispense niya and hindi siya messy. Wala din siyang color which is really nice and na-appreciate ko kasi hindi niya na-alter yung kulay ng base ko. And sobrang natural lang niya guys. Every time I use this, I feel like wala akong nilagay na powder. Kasi di ba may mga times na ganun, kapag ka naka-powder ka, parang mafe-feel mo talaga yung powder. This one, I'm very sure na familiar na kayo kasi panigurado. Ilang beses nyo nang nakita to sa videos ko. But for those of you na bago sa channel ko, this is from Pink Flash. And this is yung kanilang Contour In number 1. And grabe to guys, ever since na nakuha ko siya, ever since na ginamit ko siya nung first time sa video, hindi ko na tinigilan yung paggamit. As in, every time na magme-makeup ako tapos magko-contour ako ng nose, hindi na ako nagdadalawang isip or nag-iisip pa ng gagamitin ko. Automatically, eto na talaga. Kasi di ba tignan nyo, sobrang perfect ng kulay niya. Hindi siya sobrang orange, hindi sobrang red, and hindi din naman sobrang gray. Saktong-sakto lang yung warmth and coolness na meron siya. Kaya once you apply it sa face, especially pang contour nga, namimimik niya talaga yung shadow. Di ba look at that? Sobrang perfect nung shade niya. Pigmentation is really nice as well for a contour. Kasi hindi siya sobrang intense, kaya hindi nakakatakot gamitin and pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang i-build up. Formula-wise, I don't have anything bad to say kasi sobrang bilis i-blend. Naglalast din siya the whole day and also very affordable. Kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan to guys, please give this a try. I swear, magugustuhan nyo siya. So, another current favorite of mine is itong creamy all-over paint ng BLK from their summer collection. Unfortunately, hindi ko nagawa ng video to guys, but I swear, sobrang ganda ng formula. And kung familiar na kayo sa creamy all-over paint, actually same naman sila. And actually, sa lahat naman ng products ng BLK, talagang number 1 sa akin is yung creamy all-over paint nila. Kaya I'm really happy because naglabas sila ng mga bagong shades. Packaging, as you can see, is super cute and yung applicator niya is same lang naman sa old. Malaki siya kaya perfect ipang-apply sa cheeks kasi para siyang thumb. Color selection is really nice as well kasi diba bagay na bagay sa summer and sa kahit anong skin tone. It's very creamy, it's very easy to blend, it lasts the whole day, and hindi siya patchy kahit na naka-foundation na kayo. And ito yung swatches ng tint. This one is Golden Hour, this is Palm Springs, This is poolside and eto naman si summertime. Di ba, look at that. Sobrang perfect ng mga shades for summer. But personally for me, yung top 2 ko is si Golden Hour and Palm Springs. Kasi di ba alam niyo namang sobrang love na love ko talaga yung mga pinkish blush kasi very natural and malakas maka-fresh. Kaya sa buong collection nila, eto talagang dalawang shade yung nag-stand out sa akin. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawala sa aking favorites, itong Get Ready With Me Milk Tint ni May Layug. If you guys watch my videos, I'm very sure na napanood nyo na yung review ko about this. And di ba positive naman siya, kaya of course, hindi siya pwedeng mawala sa mga favorites ko. Sobrang ganda ng formula nito guys, I swear. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan to, please try nyo siya. Kahit mag-start lang muna kayo sa isa, tapos kapag nabitan nyo yung formula, di ba? Tsaka nyo kumpletuhin. I really love this product guys kasi sobrang perfect niya for everyday. Formula is very creamy and easy to blend. Pigmentation is nice as well. You don't need a lot. As in, kahit isang tuldok lang sa isang cheek, okay na. Color selection, I mean, look at that. Sobrang on point kasi merong pang maputi, may pang morena, and may pang deeper complexion. Tsaka yung nozzle niya, di ba, or pinaka-tip, sobrang hygienic and maganda siya because talaga makokontrol mo yung amount na lumalabas. This one is cheesecake. This one is fruit tea. This is mixed berries. This is Okinawa. This is winter melon. And this one is 100% sugar. Pero kung isa lang yung balak nyo guys, and same tayo ng skin tone, 100%, dito tayo kay Cheesecake. Napakaganda ng kulay niya guys. Perfect na MLBB and kapag nilagay sa cheeks, it looks very natural. But again, all of them looks amazing. Iba-iba naman tayo ng preference. It's just that for me talaga, Cheesecake yung nakabihag ng aking puso. Okay, so yung last product sa aking favorites is from Ate Ann and that is itong kanyang No Rinse Professional Makeup Brush Cleaner. For those of you na kagaya kong tamad maglinis ng brushes, this is the answer. And let me show you para maniwala kayo sa akin. Ayan guys, tignan nyo yung brush ko. Sobrang dumi niya, diba? And kailangan na talagang linisin. Again, kung wala kayong time, this is the answer nga. Kasi tignan nyo ha, spray lang tayo. This is just a regular tissue. And once you swirl your brush, look at that. Grabe, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman. Sobrang linis na niya. I mean, of course, may mga konti pang stain. But compared kanina, di ba? Ang laki ng difference. And just in case you guys want to see, ito yung mga dirt na nakuha ng brush cleaner sa aking brush. Tsaka ang maganda sa kanya, guys, is hindi siya oily. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang mga makeup brush cleaner na kapag in-spray nyo, di ba? May iniiwang oil. Ipunas nyo lang to sa tissue or kaya sa puting towel. Okay na, pwede nyo na ulit siyang gamitin. Another thing I really like about this one is that sobrang clean lang nung amoy niya. Hindi siya yung sobrang fruity, sobrang flowery, whatsoever. Kung makeup artist kayo, sobrang laking tulong din ito guys. Kasi 'di ba, kung marami kayong clients, eto guys, pwede niyo gamitin to para kapag nag-switch kayo ng client, at least malinis na kaagad yung brush. So yeah, again, for those of you na gustong subukan yung mga i-share ko sa video na to, or kaya naman kung gusto niyo mag-hoard or mag-stock up ng mga favorite nyong products, now is the perfect time para gawin yon. Again, uulitin ko po, if you want to save some money, take advantage of Lazada's 6/6 mid-year sale. It will be happening from June 6 to 8, kaya naman set your alarms and mark your calendars now. And also kung meron kayong mga favorite na gusto nyo masubukan ko guys, just let me know sa comment section para ma-add to cart ko and ma-check out ngayong 6/6 Lazada sale. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.